And now probably one of the most interesting ones is, will the Large Hadron Collider create black holes that will destroy Earth?
Oh, that's been all over
I
the
know,
internet,
I know.
and that's
Yep.
kind of making me crazy as a science
Yeah.
type person. I'm like, hey,
Yeah.
wait a minute, it sounds like fear to me.
It is fear, and of course physicists can give with one hand and take with the other. They can give you the idea of black holes, but they can also take them away too. But the thing that you should remember is that the energies that the LHC is going to achieve are only a billionth what cosmic rays do every day coming into the atmosphere of the Earth. And these things slam into protons in the atmosphere with energies that are a billion times higher than what the LHC can do. And
so
we're
that's
not raining black holes out of
by
the
any means.
atmosphere every day.
There are collisions going on
Yes.
like that like right now.
Yes. Yeah.
And we're not even aware of it. So
And this has been
generating
going on,
our own is no big
this
deal.
has been going on for billions of years, and not a single one of these things has been created that has destroyed the Earth. So,
All right, so we're just trying to create our own to understand more about
well,
particles.
it's not even clear that the LHC is going to create black holes, because that depends on other things being true, and there are reasons for believing that those things are not. So the assumptions might be faulty on which those things are based.